We the Lions will play match yesterday to win Libya 1-0 country people. Then when a defender come off a backhand score, that means Aurelien Shedu Fongan. Then the attacker them over back 8 office. All them now, no man will do anything for that side of the country. People started now about this other chapter 2 for restaurant we catch fire burn for Bona pre for Bali Day. Yes, real of Bali restaurant catch fire burn the quarter country people them. Hotel una too about this matter for accident way it can take place after ride for Bona Berry day where they saw one motor 19-seater bus with go Southwest jam. Some Okada man kill them for the country people in trouble did that side they for Bamenda away for Foncha Street day then kill one person for a driver for Guarantee Express. Tie Ibele with resolve in test and come outside according to which way Mark Chief for Radio Hot Cocoa for Bamenda Tewe country people. Then we'll talk about this picking the loss for this Malimba Bulunga Malimba for Mwanko Day. We never seen them to take carnage now. So and then about this one to the guidance where they saw na element for Bangdi chef the gang chef bang where they call it for this commando na Tio Celestine where they say they make practice, make training for this people and say this so African Negro for Grand Mulende. Now you do it for day. I say the kidnap people, they will take money 1.2 or 3 million for the country people. They say they kill Guardian for day and then we'll talk about best dancer, mayor dancer for minister them for Cameroon, na Gregoire or na all this one na Inside Pidgin TV News, Equinox Television with me Eze Ekuleku Toride. I return a big salute country people as we talk about for this matter. So, this one a Pidgin TV News, Equinox Television. Make us start with same story for today. Same story for today. Be so waiting. I beg, make all people from Mabanda they put their ear for ear. Same story they say waiting. Woman, they like bee. If you touch it fine. It give you plenty honey. If you touch it bad, it stink you. Same story for today. Woman, they like bee. If you touch it fine, it give you plenty honey. If you touch it bad, it stink you. Okay, that's the story for today. Mark China for Radio Hot Cocoa, that's it for Bamenda Day. Thank you, plenty supporting come from you so for Bamenda Day. Yes, Vivian Sewong. Yes, Vivian Kemjo Sewong for this country people. They did that for Ndop Day. Now, court registrar for the country people are doing a big so thank you to Mama Mary Sewong for that basing day for Bamenda. Thank you, plenty. Mekulu nak to ina for na talks with the first one. Now this one for Cameroon versus Libya. Yesterday, 1-0. Nation. I said it happened. Now so ball start. Ball start like play. Country people them. Libya now knock him top. Shall Itanje put them for outside. Shall Itanje put them for outside country people them. And I say it happened. So be so for this chapter. Wonderful palaver for the country people them. Look at. I said Libya just the enter for Cameroon defense. Like say they enter and say their palo. Maybe say now Cameroon and they start with their own. Where they say they cut them, would shortcut them, then they all they put them. Not the way they feel like for that say they can't put them. So the way they fish want to for that say we can continue with this, so put they can't talk about and say this palaver. Now, it office not cook from this back. One time, yeah? Yes, now the way they so as we talk about for this issue, this country people, them goalkeeper just come and knock out look at it office again. So goalkeeper put them for outside this country. People talk to this say this chapter and this palaver now. So it won't happen. So can't wait. They come and I go they come. See, wonderful palaver. See. Now this man that will call it for this series Aurelien schedule from Ghana. Now we score the goal for the before una see how we it office they come on the 4 fainting feet for feet so they get injury. When they come out now they can't talk to this so they no play again for national team. So they no go play again for national team country people there. Even we will play for the national team. Maybe so Martin. I will talk about and continue to talk about Tori. You know there. You can clap. You now go open fan club. That will play for national team. Okay, country people there. We go for Bolunga Malimba. Bolunga Malimba na village that's for Mwanko. Now picking a loss with the Vamus. Seb gouverneur Masayo. Joseph Betty a son mobilité in this nation. As in a small village 120 people. Look at Enes Etongo, 12 years. Catherine Sapi, Nalinda way this tonton for that side too. Family beyond the cry and cry. Just the cry and cry. Gouverneur can for the Masayo. Joseph Betty a son no Masayo. 8 days for this so. A come not try for camp put them down. For talk since they palava so. You see, minister they recuperate. Say they try for see how it happen. All man just cry and cry. 9 picking them. They go find a Nyamangoro Congo meat. They go find Nyamangoro Congo meat. Neither too. Look. And after Yahweh, Masayo governor first talk for sous-préfet say enlever le pull level qui a suivi là. You know find too. The man move on with shame. When the fall for other problem, look at. See hein. Commandant de légion. Colonel Abel sur le bididi. People they say the matter. Go see what he take place. Kamambo the flop for the J pick. And that the flop. What Kamambo the all police him. Anybody right to it happen. Explain to what happen for start final. So now governor salute people for talk to this so. Una calmus. Innocent Baker don't give it the name now so. Innocent say show the name the moon as he name them. Because if some picking so for some pretty when I say my name now this so and so. Make it see. Yeah, doctor. Enes Etongo, 12 years. Catherine Sapi, 12 years. Madeleine Ebenye, 9 years. Penis Misango, hey, Abega. Then him now what? Penis Misango, 12 years. Julien Pempe, 10 years. François Sopo, 6 years. Eugène Beti Mwamingel, 12 years. Jean-Claude Olinga, 9 years. Corinne Iowe, 12 years. Let me say from 6 years to take on show. Only one people was 6 years in a support Francois. The other one is 9 years, 12 years, 9 years, 12 years, 9 years, 12 years. Now begin anyway, they go find Yamangoro Congo meat. They go find Congo meat. We put in talk so they ever find Congo meat for dry season. How they do go find their own Congo meat for rain season? Ni one is so nangrebe. Governor talk say, "Muna not putting a mystic for front." Every now is every 2 o'clock say so sorcery. Una go they must find for this to contribute for this ability to be echo the take place in this matter with this palaver and so he says chapter to contribute. For the do one that sorcery, do an angry over chicken. Say people the way they there for back commando at Tio Celestine, where they for body lifting for that set for African Negro body lifting. A train some of we who know see this one chef de gang. They go kidnap people then for that set for Southwest. Kidnap them can anyhow. Yes, come to put them. Commandant Amugu and he put them for the brigade. You know they catch him. Now this. Hey. Now the man and woman that they cry. Now for the hotel for village. Now for that way, they go put the man, look there. Yeah, commando. I say if commando see you inside couloir, I beg you respect the code. Yes. He will give you some ndomo, you get a ndomo so boop. You don't fit shake. So now commando will talk now for that say so 8 people them so they be asked 1.3 million. Now commando that. Tio Celestin. Yeah, commando. You don't go for Kumbasute like a 5 time, put the ace now 73 ans. Look at. You don't go Kumba like a 5 time, you put 25 ans. Tio Celesto, Tio, commando. Maybe chef the gang for kidnap people, then ask ransom. And then that so the woman bring money, they say, Mba, you know, correct for that matter. So now I'll talk to the commandant Mugu. That matter so contribute them. We're going to have a city sick. People they will to call and say this so ex-regime fair camp. They do all for their country people there. They strike. Say government don't talk since Mathusalem. Say on va, on veut, we go, we want. May they give their dough, just no. Now it is. They don't want to contribute them. Yeah. Now that put a strike. They will give their money. Say me they give their money. So and so be so. Say me they give their dough. This palaver and so. And for them matter and so contribute them. As we talk about this issue. See, so they talk now. This palaver say this so. May they give them. They don't start to die plenty. They never get their money. They go school. They never get their money. 600 famille. Hey! Pension de. Not de. Aveugle, sous et mieux. On est des. Les man carry, les man to la Mecca. Le vieux nègre la médaille. They put medal in plenty. But upon that one, don't know they for that in them. What else want so for the strike me give that do. Me give that do for the country people them. Now we talk on lycée de Nyala the kids on wash night for the. In name Amadou Bobo. Amadou Abo. Amadou Abo the kid for the 90s. Now rob the way they tie Amadou Abo utam. Now rob the way they tie Amadou Abo for them so contribute. As na get a wonderful plaver. Die for close to when a guardian for the. When a guardian for this so contribute. They die now. Do how it is. Talk to this so you go talk through. So they broke office now for principal. Broke am enter for do it to the field for that side so contribute. Can't matter with Ingribu for the city in Yalade. Then killing every channel they can for actions. How the thing happen? They broke office of principal. Enter. They don't take no nothing. Broke window then all thing. Enter. They kill Amadou Abu for the Muhammadu Abu for this so contributing. Die with the rope. Took it with a knife. That's why he died for the so wonderful palaver them. Now we'll talk to this for Ezeka. Hey! Ezeka big school for that time for Kodok and all the people them Umyebe. But lycée de Ezeka, na lycée poubelle de Ezeka. Or lycée porcherie de Ezeka. Eh! Avant que les Québec. Yes. Look at. Wonderful palaver. À ce lycée poubelle, lycée porcherie de Ezeka Luka. Le lycée. C'est un lycée de lycée na dit école en so hein ici lycée près de Refao hein porcherie for Shrine or Poulailler dans lycée Pierre Christian Mabon na principal pour lycée Mabon Amabon lo ya lycée Amabon c'est professeur c'est le kana with jogging in class ask me say me affair when I wait for the palaver contribute. Wonderful thing that's not going to get away to talk about an issue. Can't issue. Can't story. Wonderful matter they so for the country. We'll come back tomorrow morning with Thief Man. They don't catch colonel. Colonel for army for thief swine. Eh? Yes. For that side day, after Nkapade, we don't go thief swine. The beat kill him for the Commandant Julius Gwine. They for this so country from Banga. Now, I want to ask you a question. On a see who be the minister, meilleur danseur, meilleur boy and free boy for gouvernement for Cameroon. Okay, una cover, una ear, una cover, una mop, una siam. That's all. No comment. Allez, gain. Ah, c'est Grégoire Ona, meilleur danseur ministère. Habité on a pas chouin. Never they say message again now so. They go thief chouin from Kappa, na colonel. Colonel for army for thief chouin. Commandant Nkwain Julius, comment Banga don't catch all commandant brigade for Nkappa and one for Bonalea. Don't catch an ass with that set control. We'll give you all details with image tomorrow. Because coach international coming for Suza Didi Naso for that palaver. I told you not true. They teach swine for day. I know the first day they teach swine all time. Okay. Woman they like B. You touch it fine, you give honey. You touch it bad, it stink you. Thank you plenty. Thank you, no sir, bigger doctor. That take all of them for that side. So he said they do have for that side. So they beat or they seize hand back for some woman. For that side they do have the chook bandit chook woman kill him. The number soon I say when I knock head so the number soon I call it forgive to when to read it. Some of sound for pulling so country pulling. Wonderful matters when I get to talk about that. In so bigger day various virus the virus cell. He did that side too. Alain Zing he said so when I meet up for Elisa for 6:30 news. Me have a master talk. Eze kule ku if una see my back. Be ready for front. Bye bye.